No. Question number 11. A body is projected horizontally from a height of 5 meters. It reaches the ground at a horizontal distance of 10 meters. The speed of the particle when it reaches the ground is. So here a body is projected horizontal from a height of 5 meters. So we will take, this is a projected idea. So this is a 5 meters. From here we are projecting it is hitting the ground. So when it is hitting the ground, there will be two velocities. One is, for at any point there will have two velocities. One is along the x-axis, another one will be along the y-axis. In this case it will be in this direction, not in this direction. So this is the velocity along the x-axis, this is the velocity along the y-axis. So here, for velocity along the x-axis, y-axis, we have to find what is the velocity, isn't it? First we will calculate the velocity along the x-axis. For that we have to first know the initial velocity. For that we will go for s is equal to ut plus half a t square formula. So if you go for s is equal to ut plus half a t square, the time for the ball to fall from the top to bottom is this t. So here s, as it is dropped, as far as downward motion, s is u is equal to 0. So h is equal to half gt square, or t square equal to 2h by g. It's given as 2 into h is 5, g is 10, so it's going to be 1. So t value is going to be 1 second. If t is known, then the distance covered from this here to this here, when we calculate, that is a range we call. Range is equal to initial velocity into time of flight, or u is equal to range by time of flight. Range is given as 10 meters. Time taken just now we have calculated 1. So u is equal to 10 meters per second. Now we are going for a calculation of the velocity now. Now we have calculated the velocity along the x-axis. So velocity along the x-axis is u, that is we call it as ux also we can call it, that is 10. What is vy? Vy, when it is dropped from here, so we can say v is equal to u plus gt. So because u is equal to 0, v is equal to gt is the velocity along the y-axis. So the net velocity is square root of vx square plus vy square, vx or vy, or you can, already we have calculated everything. So substituting these things, so v is equal to square root of vx square is 10 square, and vy square is g square t square, g is 10 square, t is 1, so it is square root of 100 plus 100, so it is 200. So 10 root 2 is the answer. So correct answer is B. 10 root 2 meter per second is the correct answer.